Ashley. I've been thinking for several weeks about the things that I wanted to say to you. There are so many ways I love you. From that very first date at Starbucks, I felt something. I knew that it may have taken you another date or two to feel it, but you got there. You make me laugh every day, from the cute misspelled words to the dumb inside jokes. I love to laugh with you. You are protective of me and us, no matter what. You are creative. Let's just say that the only reason our home is as beautiful as it is because of you. But you are also creative with our relationship. You challenge me with new ideas, plans, etc. I love you for this. There's a good chance I missed a couple spots, but guess what? I have a lifetime to tell you more.
Eddie, who knew 2,351 days ago I was going to meet my husband, my partner in crime, my person? It seems like just yesterday we were making awkward small talk over coffee at Starbucks. I knew I needed to get to know this guy better because you made me smile and get butterflies every time we talked after that. There are so many things I love about you. I love that you stand up to me and process things. You don't just let me get my way right away. I love that you support me and encourage me daily to do what I want to do, whether that be job-related, friends, or random crazy projects I come up with for us to do. You are goofy, loud, fun, and carefree, and you are a fierce friend and loyal partner.
Oh, wow. You look awesome.
As with our relationship, this will take work. I promise that I will never give up on us and that I will always work on us. You know that reading we chose for our wedding, I choose you. I promise to choose you every day from here forward. I promise always to support you, even when we don't agree on things. I will support you because you are my person. You are always there to protect me, so I will spend my days protecting you. I can't promise never to poke fun at your awful spelling, but I think we can both laugh together. Most importantly, I promise always to love you. Our love may evolve through our life, but I will always say I love you before we go to bed. My heart is in your hands now. I promise to nurture and care for you. For your heart, I love you.
You truly are a guy who needs 3 names, sometimes more, because each name is a different side of you, and all of those sides make the man I love. Today you get yet another name, husband. This name I will use the most, as I am so excited to finally be your wife. I love our life together, and I can't wait to see what this new chapter will bring. I love you. You are my person. I can't imagine my life without you. Love, your almost wife, 5/21/22, Ashley. Wow.
Love is either on the increase or on the decrease. Today you start this first part of the love letter for the rest of your lives. You start building on that, and that will just continue to grow as you get older and older and older into your 50th and so on. You will find that it's deep, it's beyond words, but it's there.
When you love someone, you do not love them all the time in exactly the same way. That is impossible. Yet that is what most of us expect. We forget the ebbs and flows of life, of love, and of relationships. We insist on permanence, on duration. But in love, as in life, the only stability is in change, in growth, and in freedom.
Ashley, I love you.
Eddie, I love you.
You are my best friend. Today, I give myself to you in marriage.
I promise to encourage and inspire you,
To laugh with you.
and to comfort you in times of sorrow and struggle. Like right now.
Well, I'm supposed to do that. I promise to love you in good times and in bad.
When life seems easy and when it seems hard.
When our love is simple.
And when it is an effort.
And I promise to cherish you.
And to always hold you in the highest regard. Except for Thursdays after college.
These things I give to you today.
And all the days of our life.
Ashley and I's friendship is built on an unconventional meeting, but it all started with family and it has ended with family. But she will always protect those that are in her group and her family. So being part of that is very special, and I thank you for that. And Eddie, you are the perfect addition. And I knew that the first time she met you and called me and told you about you, and I just knew this was the one.
Eddie, thanks for teaching me to know my limits. It's great to be passionate about something that you love, even if you're not that good at it.
Eddie and Ashley use each other's strengths when times are tough, avoid confrontation when it's not warranted, melt each other's hearts when you need a soft landing, and bite down hard in times of need.
By the powers vested in me and universalectrics.com to pronounce you husband and wife, you may kiss the bride.